As you know, most people are not at their work, so well, I am. I'm still working, but I've got a bit of time, so I'm gonna show you a few parts on the Sprinter that I've been looking for on YouTube and different places and never find a video. So I thought I'll just do a few little videos, not long ones, just showing you parts. Now, I was actually on a forum in Sprinter Sauce, and I got speaking to a guy who had a mysterious rattle under the back of his van, and I had the same thing for like 2 years. And I could not find it. I thought it was like a heat shield from an exhaust. I just didn't know what it was. And then when I started doing my brakes, I actually found it. Now I'll show you what it is here. I've got my torch, even though it's a beautiful night here under the van. So basically, if I just lay that down there, that's better to look at. So this U bracket here, this U clamp, which holds the axle onto the spring, this actual one, even though I couldn't see it was loose because the weight of it keeps it down until you actually touch it, and when I touched it there was about ½ an inch of play in these bolts, and that was jumping up and down on top of, that's a piece of steel as well, and it was just jumping up and down, rattle, and it took me forever to find it, forever and ever to find it, but eventually I found it. And I told the guy on Sprinter Sauce about it, and he was like, I'll go and check. Sure enough, he had two of them, one on the front side of the axle and one at the back, so there's 4 hangers all together, and he was exactly the same. He had a loose one which was just jangling about. So if you hear a kind of it almost sounds like a bell, it's like a jangly kind of bell noise, I could almost guarantee you one of those hangers will be loose and it'll just be tickling away on the top of the spring. Alright, I hope that helps someone. We'll see you in the next one.